Hey everyone, so in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can create AI-powered SMS chatbots to automate your customer support. It could be for your small business like salons, restaurants, or it could be to automate your community support as well. So we're going to use Zekia to create our AI assistant and integrate with SMS. It's a no-code AI omni-channel customer support platform that allows you to build AI assistants using ChatGPT and easily integrate with social channels, different channels like your social media accounts and also SMS. Now let's get started. So first thing you need to do is create a free account for Zekia. You just need to go to zekia.com and just click on start for free. Although you can create the Zekia account for free, to use the SMS feature, you're gonna need at least the starter package, which costs like $20 per month. Um, so this is the Zekia dashboard. Now the first thing you're gonna need to do is go into assistants, then click on create assistant. Um, then you need to enter the prompt just to guide the AI assistant on like what how it's going to answer. I've got this prompt here already, so I'm just going to use this. It's a dealership AI support prompt. Just going to copy it, just create assistant, then click paste. Now I'm gonna name this assistant saying MG dealer support. Uh, Click on OpenAI. So OpenAI is the provider or the company that creates ChatGPT. Although it says like cloud now, the only available more provider is OpenAI at the moment. Then you're gonna go and select the AI model. We can also add different knowledge base that we can upload it here, but I'm not gonna add anything. But you can add like the PDFs and the text files. So in this case, it would be like vehicle brochures or like PDFs related to current campaigns and offers. But I'm not gonna add that now. Just gonna go and create assistant, and once I reload here, it's gonna, yep, that's our assistant. The next thing you can do is also test the assistant to see like if it works properly. um, so I'm just gonna ask, I'd like to book a test drive. Sam. So as you can see, like it's trying to book me a test drive. So basically, we know that it works now. So the next thing we're going to do is go on the phone numbers tab, then click on by number. Then we got so the currently available numbers or the regions are like US, Australia, and Canada. However, like if there's more demand for other ones, then we can definitely add those as well. But for now, I'll just put in like US. When I type in 973, that's the area code of like which particular US state that I'm registering the number for. Click on search. Then I'm going to get listed with all the 973 numbers. Just pick one, and the label is the name that the unique name that you want to put or like assign to this number. So I'm just going to put MG dealer support. Then click on by number. Now I'm not going to click on by number because I already have a few numbers there. But once you click on buy, it's gonna buy a number for you, and then it's gonna show on this table. So once we buy the phone number, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna assign the recently created assistant to this particular number. So I'm gonna use this 37 number and click on MG dealer support. So we have just assigned the MG dealer support AI assistant with this particular number. That means like every time someone texts this particular number, then this AI assistant called MG Dealer Support is going to reply the customer through the number. So now we just need to test if everything works. I'm just going to text this particular number from my phone and see if it works. So I'm just gonna type it, hey. Yep, it's replied me back. Welcome to MG Dealership. I'm your digital assistant. How can I help you? Book a test drive. Yep, so it replied me back. What's my name? I'm just going to put it Sam. Yep, so as we saw, like everything works as it should. So that was just a quick and easy way to show you how we can build ChatGPT powered AI assistants and integrate those with the SMS. It can be used for a wide range of use cases and industries like small businesses, taking orders, or like replying to leads, such as barbers, salons, restaurants, um, HVAC, and like plumbing, those kind of services. Now, I'm the founder of Zakia, and I'd love to get feedback on this product for whoever's using it. If you want to give us feedback or if you have any questions, then you can email us and the email link below. Or you can also go to the Zakia dashboard or the Zakia website and contact us through that. Um, we hope this helps anyone trying to build an SMS AI assistant and improve the business productivity for them.